In the Faculty of Engineering and Computing, we hold an event called Expo. It's an opportunity for students to showcase their projects as they graduate from us, and I suppose it's an opportunity for the employers, the students and ourselves to celebrate their achievements, but also to see what's happening in terms of the innovative projects, the research work that's happening and the amazing talent that's leaving the university.
So I think the Expo is a very worthwhile event, both for students and for prospective employers.
From an employer's perspective, I suppose, what I find most interesting is the opportunity to talk to students outside of an interview environment.
I think the DCU Expo is really great because it is, in essence, a reverse career fair. It gives employers the opportunity to speak to the students and walk around rather than us standing at a stall having them come to talk to us.
The main benefits of the Expo at DCU allow employers to see the wide breadth of project and skills that are on offer at DCU.
Well, having done the Expo myself a couple of years ago, what I really appreciate and what I still believe the benefits are for the students are getting to network, getting to meet people from SAP, from Microsoft, from all of these big companies.
They get that presentation experience that they may not get in college up to that point.
It's a more comfortable environment. They have all the resources next to them. They have their project with them. If we ask them a question and they can't think of it on the spot, they can just look over at the project and explain with any posters or diagrams they have.
I think it's really great for them to have the opportunity to meet with so many people, to network, to see what companies are really looking for.
From a woman's perspective, the Expo is a great chance to really meet employers and put yourself out there, and now more so than ever there's really great opportunities in ICT for females.
Today, several hundred industry players come to the Expo to view the project prizes across engineering and computing applications.
So coming back as an employer, it's great to see what the students are working on. The technologies change constantly, and it's very refreshing to see the pace of universities matching that technology change.
The last thing I'd say to students bringing their projects to Expo is to be proud of them. We love seeing your projects, whether it's completely complete, whether it's half complete. We want to see the problems you were subjected to, we want to see the answers you came up with, and we want to see how you put that together into a meaningful project.
Expo illustrates our commitment to student success and enterprise engagement, two really important features of the DCU experience.